Welcome back to our channel Code Karo Yaro. So hope today we are going to learn about MS Word editing text. So I hope you all have watched our previous video on formatting text. Okay guys, so let's get started with today's topic. So our today's topic is editing text. So editing text contains cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, find and replace. So I will teach you the functions of each and every editing text. So I have already given you the shortcut of editing text. So now I'm going to tell you how to use them. Okay, so first I need some text over here. So I will. So as you all are thinking how this text comes, so I will tell you equals to rand. This two, this two is for paragraph, and this two is for sentence. Okay, so as I press enter, you can see this has been come to our screen. So first so I'm going to tell you how to cut a text from particular paragraph. So what we have to do first is we have to copy. Okay, first we will copy this much. I will tell you how to copy. So first you go and click the word from where you need to start copying. Okay, so I need to start copy from here. So I will click this and I will drag my mouse cursor at that point where you need to copy. So I need to copy this text from this point. So as you can see, uh, the only this much of text has been copied. Okay, so now as you can, so we have to cut this text. Either you can do it by the shortcut with Control X, or the next step as you can do it by, as you can see here in the home tab, there is a cut option. So what we are going to do is just press this key. So as you can see, that particular line has been cut from our video. Okay guys, so what I will do first, I will go and paste it over here. Okay, so uh, uh, so this is how to cut paste option. This from here we cut it and here we paste it. Okay, this is cut paste option. So next option is Control C, how to copy. Okay, okay, how to copy. So for that we need to select some text. Like I'm going to select this much of text. As I have selected this much of text, you can see here copy option. Just click it, or either you can do it by Control plus C. That is the shortcut form of copy. Go and click this copy option. As soon as you copy it, come over here. Okay, and okay, so you can see the paste option over here. You can paste it by either clicking it, or you can just go with the shortcut key. For you need to remember the shortcut keys for doing it in very shortcut type. Okay, so I will go and press over here paste. So as you can see, this is the copy paste option. The first was cut paste and this is copy paste. Okay, so I have told you already how to paste. Yeah, either you can do it from here, or either you can use the shortcut keys. Now what I want to tell you is how to undo. So basically undo means the work. For I will give you an example. As I have selected this part and I will do this. Okay, so as you can see, this much of the sentence has been highlighted by the yellow color. So what if I don't want this highlighted part? So what we can do is, you can see over here this button. Okay, on the left hand side at the top of your screen, you can see this button undo highlighted, Control Z. Either you can use the shortcut key Control Z, or either you can click on this button over here. So I will just click on this button. So as you can see, that sentence is back to normal. There is no highlighted text in this. Okay, and now I will tell you what is a redo option. Basically, redo option means like I tell you. Okay. So what we have done in redo, this was the highlighted sentence, and when as soon as I click on this redo up button, the highlighted text has been gone. So what we are going to do that we want now we want that highlighted text. So what we do, we at this type of point we do redo. So as you can see this button on the left hand side of the and at the top of your screen, this is the button for redo. Highlight Control plus Y. Okay. So you can do this by doing shortcut key, or you can directly go and click this button. So I'm going to click this button. As you can see, our highlighted sentence has been back, okay, where it was. So these are the function of redo and undo. What undo does that if we don't want such part, then just press a Control Z and bring it back to normal. Okay, and if we want that part, so we can do Control Y or the button on the top left corner of the screen. So now what we I'm going to tell you is how to find a particular word. If you have written 500 or 1000 words of essay or something, then and you need some of the word that you need to change. So what you can do is you can go to the right hand side at the top of your screen, and you can see here the find option, or you can go and directly press the Control F option like over here. Okay, so go and click this button. Okay, so just search over here eh, online. Okay, I will search. Okay, I need to change this online button. Okay, I will press enter. Okay, just a second, guys. So as you can see, you just need to go and press over here the word you need to select. Okay, so I will choose the words online. Okay, as soon as I select online, you can see the online has been highlighted all over the places. Okay, so option for this is the option for finding any word in your essay that you have written. Now what I'm going to do is how to replace a word. Okay, how to replace a word? You can just do it by shortcut key Control plus H, or you can just go on the right side at the top of your screen and go and just press the replace button. Okay, as soon as you replace, okay, as soon as you click the button replace on your screen, so a pop-up box will be appear. Okay, so now it contains two form. Okay, the find what and replace with. So in upper box, okay, in find what box, you will type a word which you need to find, which you want to replace. Okay, so as you can see, I will just show you, like I want to replace the word online. Okay, okay, so what word I need to replace that? Okay, so I will replace online with offline. So now you just look. Okay, so as you can see, this online button has been selected. So I will just touch. Okay, as you can see, this online word has been changed into offline. So I will show you one more time. So I will just you can see online word is selected. Now I will just press the key replace. As soon as I press the key replace, this button has been changed. Okay, this word has been changed. Listen, the word has been changed to offline. So what will happen if we do replace all? It will just replace all the online words in your text. Okay, so these are some of the editing text that we generally use. So I want you to just learn these shortcut keys, and then you can do it just on the keyboard. if you don't have mouse. Okay guys, if you don't have mouse, so you just need to remember those shortcut keys, so you can do the shortcut key as fast as you can. So hope guys you like the video. For more video, just subscribe our channel www.codekarojaro.com. Thank you guys. Hope you like the video. Enjoy your day.